All right. Welcome back, everyone, to another deep dive.
Yes.
Today, we're looking at something super interesting. We're going to be taking a deep dive into what it takes
Yes.
to be a lecturer in Australia.
In Australia.
And we're really lucky to have some insights today from an article by Jared Kanise,
Oh, absolutely.
who is the CEO of academicjobs.com.
He knows a thing or two about this.
Yeah, so if you are interested in becoming a lecturer down under, this is the episode for you.
Let's find out what it takes.
Yeah, so just to get started, we're thinking about this as someone who's maybe finished their bachelor's degree.
Okay. Yeah.
Maybe think about doing a master's.
Okay.
But we're really going to go through everything.
Yeah, whole thing.
So, if you are already a lecturer, this might still be really interesting.
Absolutely.
But yeah, we're going to start right from the beginning.
So at the heart of it,
Yeah.
lecturers are the backbone of Australian universities. They share their expertise, they share their passions with all the students.
Yeah, it's so important.
And imagine yourself, leading these engaging lectures, guiding these lively discussions.
Yeah.
And contributing to this groundbreaking research.
It's a really interesting field.
It is.
Because it combines so many different
sort
of aspects of working in a university.
Yeah, and what's fascinating is that blend of teaching and research, that's what really makes it a dynamic role.
Yeah.
You're constantly learning and exploring your field.
Yeah.
And then you get to share that with the students.
And share it with the next generation.
Exactly.
And I think so often people think about teaching as something
where
you've learned something.
Right.
And now you're giving that knowledge. But I think what's really cool about this is that you're actually still engaging
Absolutely.
in research, and you're
You're on the cutting edge.
pushing the boundaries of your field.
Yeah.
So let's unpack the day-to-day a little bit.
Okay.
What does it actually look like to be a lecturer?
So think about lesson planning,
Mm-hmm.
drafting assignments,
Yep.
and yes, grading papers.
It's all part of it.
It is all part of it. It's not all desk work.
No.
You can be leading tutorials,
Yep.
running lab experiments,
Yeah.
presenting at conferences.
Oh, wow. Yeah, conferences, that's another big one that people don't often think about.
Yeah.
I think is a core part of that job.
Yeah, and I think what this really highlights is that
Yeah.
it's a multifaceted role that really requires strong communication skills.
Absolutely.
Think back to your favorite lecturers.
Yeah.
They were likely very engaging speakers. They could explain complex concepts clearly and really foster a lively learning environment.
Yeah, they make it fun to be there.
Exactly.
So, okay,
Yeah.
let's say that this is sounding pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
How do you actually become a lecturer in Australia?
Okay.
What is the path?
It's a very clear path,
Okay.
but it requires dedication.
Okay.
You're going to need that essential bachelor's degree in your chosen field.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, think about it.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to be teaching this subject.
Right.
So you need a deep understanding.
Yeah, so that's step number one, bachelor's degree.
But to really shine,
Yeah.
you're going to need a master's.
Okay.
Or even a doctorate.
Okay, so a master's or a doctorate. And so what is the difference there?
So a master's degree, you're going to delve deeper into a specialized area of study.
Okay.
And a doctorate.
Yeah.
That's where you conduct original research. And you make a significant contribution to your field.
Okay, so a doctorate is really the big one.
It's the big leagues.
Yeah.
And this is becoming increasingly important
Okay.
when you're applying for these lecturer positions.
Right, so a master's might be enough to get your foot in the door. But if you really want to stand out, you need that doctorate.
You got it.
Okay, so that's the kind of subject expertise side of things. But you're also going to need some sort of teaching qualification.
Exactly.
And that's usually
a graduate certificate in higher education.
Okay, a graduate certificate in higher education.
Exactly.
Okay, and what does that give you?
This is going to equip you with all the skills you need to be an effective teacher in a university setting.
Okay, so it's not just what you know.
Exactly.
It's how you teach it.
It's how you share it with the world.
Absolutely.
It's about fostering that love of learning, mentoring your students, and creating an environment where they can really thrive intellectually.
Okay, so it's a very demanding job, but it sounds incredibly rewarding.
Yes.
So I think someone listening to this might be thinking, wow, that sounds like a lot.
It is.
What would you say to someone
who's feeling a little overwhelmed?
Don't be discouraged.
Okay.
You don't have to have it all figured out right now.
Right.
Start by exploring your passions.
Yeah.
Dive deep into those subjects that really fascinate you.
Yeah.
And build that solid academic foundation.
Yeah, and I think that's such good advice.
Yeah.
You know, it's not a race.
It's a journey.
It's a journey.
Enjoy it.
You know, just take your time and really enjoy the process.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And so if you are ready to take the leap, you can find all the lecturing jobs in Australia at academicjobs.com.
It's a great resource.
It's a fantastic resource.
Yeah.
So yeah, good luck on your journey.
Good luck.
And who knows, maybe we'll see you on a university campus someday.
Shaping young minds.
Absolutely. All right, thanks for joining us for another deep dive.
It's been a pleasure.
We'll see you next time.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.